Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some mind-blowing news about OpenAI's next big leap in AI technology. We're diving deep into the latest secret updates and leaks surrounding the highly anticipated GPT Next model. If you're excited about the future of AI, stick around because you won't want to miss this. OpenAI has been dropping hints that their models will be almost unrecognizable within the next year or two. This year, they're pushing the boundaries even further, especially in enhancing reasoning capabilities. So, what's coming next? Let's find out. Recently, at the futuretech event in Paris, an intriguing image surfaced online, revealing crucial details about OpenAI's upcoming plans. Here's the scoop. 2021, the GPT-3 era, we had the Da Vinci model setting a new standard for AI. 2023, the GPT-4 era, this brought significant improvements and became the go-to model. 2024, the dawn of GPT Next. This new model, set to launch in November 2024, promises to deliver a monumental leap in AI intelligence. But why GPT Next and not GPT-5? Well, OpenAI is signaling something more than just a numerical upgrade. They're hinting at groundbreaking advancements that go beyond what we've come to expect. The new model shows a significant increase in intelligence, potentially transforming how industries operate. OpenAI's CTO, Mira Murati, mentioned that the release date is crucial because of the 2024 US elections. They want to ensure the model doesn't unintentionally influence political outcomes, which is why they've planned the release for November. So, what can we expect from these enhanced capabilities? Future models, including GPT Next, will excel in complex problem-solving, understanding context more deeply, and making sophisticated decisions. These advancements will lead to more accurate and relevant AI responses, revolutionizing various sectors. OpenAI is focusing on several key investment areas: textual intelligence, improving understanding and generation capabilities, cheaper and faster models, making advanced AI more accessible, custom models and multimodal agents, enhancing functionality across different applications. Speaking of multimodal agents, OpenAI recently demoed these versatile tools. They can handle tasks like fetching information, creating pull requests, and more, seamlessly integrating into various workflows. These agents are set to revolutionize how we interact with AI in everyday scenarios. In conclusion, the upcoming GPT Next model represents a major milestone for OpenAI, pushing the limits of what AI can achieve. With a planned release in November 2024, we're on the brink of witnessing unprecedented advancements in AI technology. That's all for today's exciting update. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking news from the world of AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in AI developments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.